Like this is day 2 of no internet. After that, I'll go there.
कल का नो इंटरनेट डे तो काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल हो गया था. थोड़ी सी क्लीनिंग भी की है, कुछ नए पैकेजेस आ रखे हैं, उसको ठिकाने लगाना है अभी. और आज भी नो इंटरनेट डे चल रहा है. हमने पहले थोड़ी देर खेला बास्केटबॉल, फिर हमने खेला फुटबॉल, फिर हम अब खेल रहे हैं स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स. इसके बाद
Skibbity toilet, yes.
इसके बाद मैंने मंगवा लिया बैट बॉल, तो हम इसके बाद क्रिकेट भी खेलेंगे थोड़ी देर. लेट्स गो. अभी माय टर्न.
Yeah.
ओके 1 2 3 4. वो
No.
1. योर टर्न. सीधा एक चाल में यहाँ से 17 से 93. 5.
Oh, yes.
1 2 3 4 5.
No, I was here, so up there.
No, Avi, that's not how you play it.
No.
1 2 3 4 5. You have to play by the rules. Otherwise, what's the point of playing a game? And we play for fun, not to win. Whoa, 1 2. You got a ladder. Your chance. 1. Here. 5. Yes.
Yeah, you get to go.
No,
up
not
there.
here. It starts from here. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I.
No.
1 2 3 4 5. Oh no! If you go up too quickly, sometimes you come down as
no,
quick.
I'm cooked.
You also got bit. Okay.
Now I got banged.
I'm cooked. What does that mean?
That means I'm dead.
No, you're not. You're still winning. 1. Okay, your
Can I have
turn.
my head off you?
If you buy the Among Us crew package and the mystery package, then you will never play video games on phone.
Uh-huh.
Do you promise?
Yep.
Can you stand here and promise?
Yep.
Can you
Promise.
can you say it aloud? Can you say it out loud?
Pinky promise.
No, can you say what you're promising?
I won't put the phone. I won't have the phone ever again.
No, you will not play games again.
I'll not play games again.
Slowly stand and
I'll not play games again.
you promise.
Yeah, pinky promise, bro.
And what if you break that promise?
We won't buy anything else.
So, Avi, when we get you that, you will play with it all by yourself?
Yeah.
You will not ask Mama and Daddy to play with you?
Yeah. I won't.
Okay. We'll cut it later.
But can you come right now?
What are you drawing, Avi?
Among Us.
What Among Us?
Red.
Is this the imposter?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a colour. Can you send this to the teacher?
Yeah.
Now I put it on the back.
Yeah. Okay, I'm teaching Avi how to make a beat.
Okay,
Guys,
but
wait.
mine's not
No,
one.
this is not yours, Avi. This is yours. But first you have to learn. Just a second. Listen to this. So you have to tell me. You have to tell me the notes from your mouth. Now. Do you want something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So see this. Yep. Avi,
Look at this.
what kind of sound is this?
A baby.
That's the pitch bend away. Look, pitch bend means
Okay.
this is it. Can I show you first? The clip. Abhi, just without touching it, can you sit and see? Daddy, look, look, look. 3, 4. Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What will you call this song?
Dark purple dog wave.
Dark Wave. That's a
Dark.
nice name. But why do you want to name it dark? Why not light? Oh.
Because I like dark. That's not. That's not.
Days go by and
That can be different, 3 different random words.
Coco,
Coco. Okay.
summer,
Summer.
and orange.
Orange. Okay. Give me another random word.
No,
instead
just
of
try it, Avi.
orange.
We can't keep changing the words.
Okay.
Just-
Time to make a beat.
No, the beat is already done. Now, can you sing something?
I don't want to. Hi guys, today we're making Minecraft cookies. And look what I'm doing.
Hi. I'm making cookies for Avi.
Yeah,
in
they're not just
Minecraft.
any regular cookies, they're Minecraft.
Yeah.
कीचू एंड मेरे साथ माइनक्राफ्ट कुकीज बना रहा है कोई वीडियो रेसिपी दिखा के अभी
Making chocolate. I mean,
just a second yeah what are you doing
we're having chocolate chip cookies, not in games.
तो कीचू रेसिपी देख के मम्मी को बता रहा है और दिव्या बना रही है लेट्स ट्राई इट
Cookies.
Cookies are ready.
So good.
Is it?
Mhm.
Really, really good?
Yeah. Better than croissants.
Oh.
I also want one
Can you get one for Daddy?
Okay,
no,
come
no,
on.
no, no,
don't break it
सवारी निकल चुकी है.
hello
लॉन्ग वीकेंड शुरू हो चुका है. It's gonna be so much fun.
It's going to be
बाहर निकल
more
के
than
इतना
fun.
अच्छा लगता है. और अभी 7 बज गए हैं लेकिन अंधेरा नहीं हुआ है और रास्ते में इतनी सुंदर सुंदर जगहें आ रही हैं.
Oh.
कॉल आ रहा है you can go inside now